I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Good job. Charlotte is the best.
Happy Tuesday, everybody. We are harvesting sweet potatoes. These are Covingtons that were planted earlier this season. They are now ready to come out to cure. Dragon just informed me there's also an entire bucket of sweet potatoes right here as well. Chickens, as always, are enjoying the freshly tilled ground. Dragon is going to tell us when these were planted. Huh?
Why we planted these, remember?
Tell me.
Remember, the cantaloupes didn't come up.
Oh, yes.
So these were planted late, probably end of mid-June somewhere. Mid to end of June. So we just tossed them in where we were missing the cantaloupes. And surprisingly, as the tough this ground is, they still managed to have amazing harvest. I think we planted like 24 slips or something like that. 24,
yeah,
maybe 24, 30 slips. I don't remember how many slips was
whatever we had left from the garden center, what we were selling this year.
Yeah.
Any issues with moles and bowls?
There's few, but not that many.
Last year they were
No, way less. There was one
lots
that
of eaten sweet potatoes.
we just tossed it over there. This is the one that we found.
Say that again.
This is the one that we found that was completely eaten, but most of them were pretty good. These still need to be cured, so now they're gonna leak this milk milky sap. They need to be stored. We're gonna rinse them off and then store them for the next 2 weeks, and they'll be ready to eat after that.
And joining us today are Cindy and Sam with their crew, helping out. Hi, Sam. Sam with the pitchfork.
He's making his YouTube debut.
Kids are here, helping out too as well. Farming is a family affair, as it should be. You know it's a good day when even Trinity decides to come out. Isn't that right, Trinity? Chickens, turkeys, and guineas are out enjoying a little bit of freshness, stretching their legs. There's, of course, Snow and Bella over there doing the same thing. Beautiful fall day today here on the farm, and always an even better day when you can end it with such a nice harvest.
And cut. This is a nice hit right here.
Happy Friday, everybody.
No intro, nothing.
We don't need an intro. We've been here all week, just not really vlogging. It's been quite a busy week. Here now.
You say busiest week ever.
I didn't say that. I said quite a busy week. Dragon is reloading feed. We are out on the big pasture with our meat chickens out here. We've had a few frosty mornings. We still have a batch that is inside in the brooder that needs to come out, but it's still been a bit nippy. Might have a little bit more warmth next week. Some more 70s are popping up, but we do need to get those guys out. We now have that tractor right there is empty because that's the batch that we processed last night. They are sitting on ice, needing to be packaged, and went to pick up more feed today for the meat chickens out here. 2,000 pounds of feed bought today, 2,000 pounds of feed bought yesterday for the egg layers. Everybody's eating around here. Big appetites. Lots of birds on the property right now, but not for much longer, as we are officially in the subtraction phase without adding any more birds for meat chicken season. Jason has also been here all week. He is manning the store for us while we are out here doing chores. Haven't captured much of him while he's been here, but he has been extremely busy too as well, selling his JB's BakeShop fresh baked goods, lots of popular items. We'll go and check in with him after we finish up chores here this afternoon. Another beautiful day on the farm. Been a busy day here as well for Friday, but also been nice to have Jason here helping us out. Dragon, over to you.
Very busy.
Come on, people want to know. They want
I'm
to
not
hear from
mic'd
you.
up, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I
I am your microphone.
You can't hear me. Very busy, very busy. All right, everybody, let's go.
Well, folks, this is going to bring us to the end of another busy week for us, and probably a short-ish kind of vlog for you guys this week, just because it's just been a lot going on.
He's not sure how much he recorded, so we'll see.
Very not sure. I kept promising Jason this week also too.
Tomorrow we're going to be a sit-down interview.
That also did not happen, but we have Jason for 3 more days, so we will definitely get you guys some Jason action at least Saturday and Sunday before he leaves on Monday. He's been busy working up till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning baking. He's inside baking right now. I just told him he almost got away without having one of our famous frozen pizzas for dinner, but tonight is the night for pizza because we just have been too busy to cook.
Always said.
What you didn't catch was we had to push pause. Push pause a little bit while the refrigerators came on so that everybody could hear us a little bit. Dragon is talking about his chicken. He's gonna talk louder though for everybody who keeps saying, get a microphone, get a microphone. Dragon, what's your closing thoughts and comments for the week?
I forgot now. The refrigerator messed me up completely. I forgot what we had. No, it was good. It was a busy week, really busy week. We pushing through. This October. We are down to how many batches of chickens left? 6 batches of chickens left. It's great to see light at the end of the tunnel for the season slowly. We have another good 10 days of pumpkins and fall stuff, and then we're gonna focus on Thanksgiving stuff. So.
Yep, looking forward to that for sure. It's one of the dogs coming in or out of the pasture. But also want to give a little shout out to our friend Elizabeth, who came by today. She drove 3 hours away from the University of Lynchburg just to see us, and she got the cutest little pumpkin that only cost $1
and didn't pay for it. Just you wait till I see you. Just you wait
She
till
insisted on paying for it, and I would not let her. She didn't meet Dragon. She's going to come back tomorrow to meet Dragon. So thank you so much, Elizabeth. We're so happy that you we made your list during your trip here to King George. So, and if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
We'll see you next week.